guys, well, we got the Expedition in the garage, but I'm trying to disassemble it. I can't find my 10mm, 7mm socket, but let me show you guys around the car. So what we have here is, this is the load of damage that happened up here. Just cooling elements here and there. The fender, the hood. This hood got eaten right here. One strut is still in the car, the other one fell off. It's over there laying down. Bumper gone. This needs to be fixed or replaced or something. I vacuumed in the car, so it's a pretty nice interior. The only airbag that's in this car is this seat belt. And I've got a sunroof up here, so that's pretty nice. It smells super good in here. And it had these WeatherTech mats inside of it. Probably keep those. But I only vacuumed. I ran out of my detailer, so I need to get some more of that so I can get rid of the stains. The big issue that I found over here in this car, that. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and I bought the bit from the auto store. So I got the fender loose. So it's loose now. The only thing that's holding this fender in is the glue that Ford puts back there. So I'm gonna crawl in here and I'm gonna slice it with this razor. Alright guys, I finally got the fender off. It was a huge pain. There were screws everywhere, this glue adhesive thing. It was a huge pain, this adhesive thing, and I even got hurt while doing it. Here's my glove. It got a couple holes in it. I started to bleed. You know, it's very nice. There's the hand. Yeah, genius. This apron damage isn't honestly that bad. It's not crumbled or anything. It's just shifted. So that's good news. The welds are still intact, so that's even better. But this right here, it's just a magnet. So that's good to know. And here's the fender. There's a lot of dirt and dust that came out. Look under the car right there's so many leaves and stuff. This is my heater right here. It's cold in the garage. Alright guys, so it's a bit later in the day. And when I did this fender, I decided that after the fender, I wanted to do the other fender and then the hood. So the hood's over here, and I did the fender, the other one right here. It's over there on the ground right there. I got this battery out right here because I'm working the engine bay now, and I don't want the positive to hit the battery and it sparks, because I don't want the battery to be plugged in right now. Because for some reason the taillights don't turn off. I'll have to see that one later. But you see the whole battery's covered in acid and everything, and over here is some acid there, and this whole thing is covered in rust. So a bit weird. Hope it's not a flood damage car or anything, but car starts, so that's some good news though. This frame damage isn't that bad. It's just a bit shifted over to the side, or here shifted, just slightly crunched right there. Not that bad of a crunch. So I got 3 of these bolts out from this fuse box thing, because I'm gonna get this whole plate off and then move see what I need to do to get all the damaged pieces off the car, so I can take a better look at this frame thing right here. It got bent upwards. It's a very weird kind of damage. Even the I think this is the condenser radiator. I'm not sure what it is right now, but it got pushed up. You can see by the way these things are. So that's some weird damage right there. But yeah, let's get that screw off. I got it. Alright guys, so we have the fuse box here. You can see all the radiators, condensers and stuff, they got pushed up somehow. No idea how, but now I'm gonna attempt to get this stuff out of here. This stuff, just, you know, see whatever. I'm not sure how it goes together, which things go first, because everything's mangled up, so it's hard to see. So I'm just gonna look around, see what I can do first, and hopefully get this whole front section of the car out of here, and then I can see all the frame structure stuff, and hopefully this stuff comes out and it's not all welded in. But yeah, let's go. Alright guys, so it is a couple days later from the last clip, and I'm going to take apart the Expedition some more, so let's get to it. The goal today is to take off everything up here in the front that's broken and stuff, and the only thing that you'll be able to see will be like the whole like apron, frame rails, everything, this bar down here. I want to see all of that, and all this stuff will be gone. I don't know if that's possible for all this to be done today, but I'm going to try, so let's get to it. I just add everything to my parts pile over here. This is Expedition, that over there is Escape, and that's Tiguan. Alright guys, so I got a lot of progress done. I have the aprons fully showing now. There's nothing covering those up. I was able to get some, there's a bar going across all this. I got that whole bar out, and there's pieces over here. So they're just scattered throughout and stuff. So now the next thing is gonna be, I'm gonna attempt to see how to get these things out, how to get this out. I'm having some trouble with the shroud on this. These clips are very tightly in there, so I'm gonna try to figure that out. Maybe how to get the frame rail, this thing right here, unbuckled, or untightened and stuff, because if I get this out, then that should free up a lot of space for me. There's an open thing right here already, so I can just loosen this by finding the correct socket size. One side will be free. Maybe I can just bend it out or something. Alright, so I'll get that rebar out later, but for the time being, let's try to get these radiators out. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. In the next video, hopefully we'll finish this car and take it apart, finish taking it apart and everything. And if you guys want to see a shop tour, let me know in the comments below. But that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye.